Hey amazing artists, Mrs. Parven here, coming to you from my front porch again, because this week's theme is all about being at home. I got inspiration from a fantastic art teacher friend of mine named Laura Lee Chambers, who came up with this idea of art at home, since that's what we've all been doing the last couple of months. So today I'm going to show you how to make a three-dimensional room, almost like a stage set. You may have heard of the term a diorama or a diorama, I don't know how it's pronounced correctly, which are usually done in sort of a shoebox or a box like this. I like to think of it almost like a stage set because it's enclosed on all these sides and open to the front so we can see inside. You can absolutely make a diorama out of a box, empty box, if you have one of these at home. But I'm also going to show you how to make one, build one just out of a plain sheet of paper. And then we can make all the elements out of in the room out of that paper. Let's get started. Okay, so to start, we need to turn our rectangular piece of paper into a square. So I'm going to use that trick I've shown you before, where you fold one edge up to the corner into a triangle, like so. And then we're just going to cut off this extra part. If you don't want to fold the paper, you could just measure it into equal side so that you get the correct measurements for your square paper. So you want to open up and smooth out that center fold so it doesn't distract us from our folding. So now we're going to fold this twice, once across. Always start in the center and press, press. And then you're going to fold it, so there's a little tent, and then you're going to fold it again in the opposite direction, just like you're making a little book like this. So once we have our square, we're going to open it up and you'll see that there's 4 intersecting lines. So you're going to actually cut on one of those just from the outside edge to the center and stop right there. That's going to allow us to pop up the room, and that's going to be the floor of your room. And then you have the 3 sides like this, or excuse me, the 2 sides. So now I'm going to show you how to make a piece of pop-up furniture like a table or a chair. You're going to take one of those sides where you cut it, and you're going to make 2 lines cut through. 1, 2. You're cutting only on the fold and just in a little bit, make sure that they're the same length, and then open that up. When you open it, you're going to actually pop out that little section and fold it in the reverse and really press it down like this to crease it. And that's going to create your pop-up table. So now when I turn it and lay that over the floor, you can see I have that popping up. Now I'm going to start adding some details to my room. You want to do this when the paper is flat. So here is a rug. So I'm just going to make a little fringe on the rug. You could use anything you want for this. Markers, crayons, colored pencils, pastels, paint, whatever you like. And you're just going to keep going. You see I did the rug on the other side to show you what not to do because it wouldn't show up, and then it pops up like this. So I've went ahead and drawn some more details in my room, and now on the flat side of the floor away from the pop-up table, I'm going to put some glue with a glue stick, slide this across like so, press down, and there I have my pop-up room. Here's my completed pop-up space. I can't wait to see what yours looks like. Don't forget to send me pictures of your amazing room creations when you're done. And remember, stay awesome, keep smiling, and know how much I miss you. Bye.